Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and sometimes mysterious topics out there, artificial intelligence, or AI. You've probably heard the buzz, but what exactly is AI, and why is everyone so fascinated by it? Let's find out. Artificial intelligence is essentially the science of teaching machines to think and learn like humans. It involves complex algorithms and vast datasets. It's all around us, from the voice assistants on our phones like Siri or Alexa, to the recommendations Netflix gives, or even self-driving cars. At the heart of AI are algorithms that process huge amounts of data to make decisions, recognize patterns, or predict outcomes. For example, AI can analyze thousands of medical images in seconds to help doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. But AI isn't just about repeating tasks. There's something called machine learning, where AI improves itself based on data it receives. Plus, deep learning uses complex neural networks to mimic how our brains process information, enabling more sophisticated understanding. This allows AI systems to perform tasks like facial recognition, natural language processing, and even creative content generation with remarkable accuracy. People are curious and sometimes cautious because AI is changing jobs, privacy, and even creativity. Will robots replace humans? How do we make sure AI is ethical and fair? These are big questions experts are actively working on. Ensuring AI development aligns with human values is crucial, leading to ongoing discussions about regulation and responsible innovation. Yet, AI also opens amazing possibilities, helping us fight climate change, improve education, discover new medicines, and much more. From optimizing energy grids to personalizing learning experiences, AI's potential for positive global impact is immense and still largely untapped. So, whether you're a tech geek, a student, or just AI curious, it's clear AI is reshaping our world in profound ways. Its influence touches every aspect of our lives, from how we work and communicate to how we solve complex global challenges. If you found this intro to AI intriguing, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and drop your AI questions or thoughts in the comments. What AI topic should we explore next? Thanks for watching.